So the short answer is yes, there is a difference in the sense that if you are carrying out an initial assessment for a prospective IELTS student, then you will be asking more questions related to their experience of IELTS when you have your structured conversation. And also in the written component, depending on where they are at, you may choose to give them an adapted IELTS Task 1 or Task 2 writing test. So the benefits of the initial assessment for the IELTS student are basically all around having the expectation of the student managed from the very first point that they make contact with you as the teacher or with the school where you are working. It's really important for a student to understand very clearly where they are on their learning path, what their start point is, to be able to effectively gauge where they need to go. So having this expectation managed from day one is very important. So finally, if we think about how many years a person should be teaching IELTS before carrying out an IELTS assessment, this is a little bit like the question of how long is a piece of string, because really it depends on many other factors, such as that teacher's general knowledge of teaching English as a second language, the various different measuring frameworks, and also on the personality of the teacher. If they are also approachable, we hope that all teachers are approachable, if they have the appropriate levels of sensitivity, tact, to be able to manage the expectations of the student when they come in for the assessment. But as a general rule, I would suggest that a teacher should be teaching for a number of years before carrying out an IELTS assessment alone. But in a more collaborative sense, perhaps in a peer setting, that could start much sooner, if not straight away, when a person starts teaching IELTS.